Hey, this is Bryan. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification. Today, we're going to show you how to install smoked out LED sequential turn signals for your BMW F30. Now to do this, we're going to need to remove the existing carbon mirror caps that I have installed. Now the ones that I have installed look just like this. As you can see, it's carbon on the outside and ABS on the inside. What we're gonna do while we have them off, we're gonna upgrade them to dry carbon, which is carbon on the outside and carbon on the inside. Now for this process, you're only gonna need a couple of tools. We recommend having a couple trim tools on hand. The wider, the better, because you're gonna be prying out the glass in your mirror and you don't wanna break it. I always like to have a pick tool on hand, and you're also going to need a T10 Torx bit. The first part of the process is to remove the glass in your side view mirror. So what we wanna do, since we're working on the passenger side, is take your mirror and tilt it all the way up. Then what you wanna do is take a wide trim tool, just very carefully pry it underneath here. And then what you wanna do is you wanna start to pop up some of these clips, just like that. And then the rest of the mirror will pop off just like that. Now, for this part of the process, you can just let it hang. Now, as you can see on the back of a mirror cap, there are 3 sets of these plastic clips, and all you really need to do is press them together and then press them out. So once you press them out, it's a good idea to have some outward pressure just to make sure they're not gonna pop back in. Now, the easiest way to do this is to start on the outside. Just squeeze them together over there. Squeeze those together, that one popped out. And then over here, just press those in. Okay, and then you can pull it right off. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove some of these T10s. We wanna loosen this black frame, so to do so, start pulling them out. Then there's one on the outside. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna just wiggle the bottom piece out, just like that. And here's our mirror. Now one thing I like to do is I like to wrap my mirror with a microfiber towel just to make sure my paint isn't gonna get scratched. Then what you could do, there's this little clip in here. You just take it, disconnect it, just like that. Now what we're going to do is take your clip right here. You're gonna plug the light in, so that'll just snap right into place. Now as you'll see, this is the only part that's going to be exposed. You're going to see that there's going to be some lips. This is going to be sitting under the plastic from your mirror housing. You're going to notice that there are these 2 little plastic tabs. You're going to slide this one in between these 2. So take this like that and slide it in just like that. Then all of this will start to press into place. Then you just want to make sure that everything is sitting correctly here. Then what we can do is we could put all of those little T10s back in. Now with this clip right here, it's kind of big and bulky, so it's helpful if you can just get it and just push it to the side out of the way just like that. Now always remember when you're putting the screws back, some are machined, some are not. Just make sure that you're putting the correct ones in the correct location. And just put these other 2 in. Now what we're going to do is we are going to take our dry mirror cap and we are going to line everything up. Press this into place. Okay. And as you can see, everything fits flawlessly. Then what we could do is take our glass, make sure that you have your angle correct, and that'll just pop back into place. Then clean it off for epic B-roll. And that is how easy it is to install LED smoked out sequential turn signals on your BMW F30. So once again, the passenger side has the smoked out sequential blinkers, and on the driver's side just has the standard. I love the dark smoked out look, especially with that dry mirror cap. Looks amazing. Now, if you're interested in any of the products that we showed today, whether it be the smoked out sequential LED turn signal or the dry carbon mirror caps, be sure to see the links in the description. Once again, my name is Bryan. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com for all your BMW retrofit, performance, and aesthetic needs. Once again, my name is Bryan. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.